Highway Code Rule 89. Vehicle condition. You must ensure your vehicle and trailer comply with the full requirements of the Road Vehicles Construction and Use Regulations and Road Vehicle Lighting Regulations. See page 124. Highway Code Rule 90. Fitness to drive. Make sure that you are fit to drive. You must report to the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, any health conditions likely to affect your driving. Highway Code Rule 91. Driving when you are tired greatly increases your risk of collision. To minimise this risk, make sure you are as fit to drive. Do not begin a journey if you are tired. Get a good night's sleep before embarking on a long journey. Avoid undertaking long journeys between midnight and 6 a.m. when natural alertness is at a minimum. Plan your journey to take sufficient breaks. A minimum break of at least 15 minutes after every 2 hours of driving is recommended. If you feel at all sleepy, stop in a safe place. Do not stop on the hard shoulder of a motorway. The most effective ways to counter sleepiness are to drink, for example, 2 cups of caffeinated coffee and to take a short nap, at least 15 minutes. Highway Code Rule 92. Vision. You must be able to read a vehicle number plate in good daylight from a distance of 20 metres or 20.5 metres where the old style number plate is used. If you need to wear glasses or contact lenses, to do this, you must wear them at all times while driving. The police have the power to require a driver to undertake an eyesight test.